Welcome back, guys. So we are back again with this particular video in which we will be creating a sub table. So this is sheet 1, this is the master table, and we will be creating a child table. So the child table will be for science. Let me give it a heading science, and we will be copying and pasting the column labels. Control C, let's copy the name and press here Control V, and then for here select this particular three subject, physics, chemistry and biology. Control C. Let's go to science and paste in here, Control V. Fine. Now we'll be using the array formula. So let's select this particular three cells. Earlier in Vlookup, we were concerned, we were entering the value in only one cell. Now since we are populating data out of a big data set, we are pulling three datas out of it. So those three data, that is physics, chemistry, biology, we are selecting this three range of cell, and within this three range of cell we will be writing some formula like equal to Vlookup, and it will be taking a lookup value, that is the name, and it will be searching within a table array. So table array means the whole of the table. So we'll be clicking on the master and we'll be selecting the whole of the table. We'll be pressing a comma, and then we'll be opening a curly braces, and physics is in A, B, C, D, E, F, G. G means 7. So we are pulling in data from the 7th column, comma 8th column, comma 9th column. Let's close the braces, press a comma, and 0 is for the exact match. Close the braces. Instead of pressing enter, we'll be pressing Control Shift Enter from the keyboard. So now comes the name. So we need some names. We'll be copying the we'll be copying all of these names, whatever the names are in here. Control C, and here we'll be pasting it, Control V. So now the data has been populated, and let's select these two cells and press all the way across to the down, and press Control D from the keyboard to copy the formula. So let's pull this sheet out. It's not working. No, not an issue. View, new window, and after that we'll be clicking on master. After that, view, arrange all, we'll be selecting this vertical option, press OK. So there are other two tables as well. Let me close this one, don't save maybe, and this one as well, don't save maybe, and let's make this a little bit bigger. Okay, so we are having one window. Again we'll be going to view and then new window, then we'll be clicking this master data sheet, and then we'll be going to the view tab, and then arrange all, then vertical. Let's tally the data whether it's working properly or not. So Anirban Dotto's physics is 49. Anirban Dotto, okay, so this is the data set master. So he's 49, yeah, 49, 71, 40. I think it's populating the data correctly. So that's how you can create. I mean, so out of, I mean, whatever we have achieved in this 4 video. In filter 1 video, we have looked into the match function, index function, in which we were using match only one time. So the data variation was, I mean, the lookup value was based on only one criteria. In our filter 2 video, we used inside index to match function. So there were two conditions on which the value was being fetched. In our filter 3 video, we saw a simple Vlookup, in which based on a particular lookup value, we are pulling out a data from the column. And in our filter 4 video, particularly this one, we fetched out not only the value of only one column but multiple column using array function, that is using Vlookup's array function. So that's all for this filter 1, filter 2, filter 3. That's how you can create a sub table, and that's a short video on index, match and Vlookup in Excel. Thank you guys, and happy coding.